Okay, good day. Welcome to our segment, How to Solve This. Okay, paano nga ba natin sagutin ang ating given? 2 raised to 5x minus 3 minus logarithm of 16 with a base of 2 equals 0. Anong gagawin natin? Since our target here is to find the value of x. Okay, simulan natin. Ang una mo natin gagawin, we're going to follow the property of logarithm wherein logarithm, we're going to note this, that logarithm of a with a base of a that is equivalent to 1. Take note, kapag ang ating constant number ay equivalent sa ating base of logarithm that is equivalent to 1. That is included or part of our logarithm property. Okay, now, punta tayo dito. 2 raised to 5x minus 3. Kopyahin lang natin yon. 2 raised to 5x minus 3 equals, equate na natin yon, equals, i-transpose natin ang negative logarithm of 16 with a base of 2, magiging positive logarithm of 16 with a base of 2. Okay? Transpose na natin sa right side. Then, kopyahin lang uli natin, 2 raised to 5x minus 3 equals, we're going to apply now this one. Okay, ang ating 16, i-rewrite natin sa equivalent exponential form. Logarithm of 2 to the 4th with a base of 2. Why 2 to the 4th? Because 2 to the 4th is equivalent to 16. Then 2 raised to 5x minus 3 equals, we're going to transpose 4 here. That is 4 times logarithm of 2 to the base 2. 2 raised to 5x minus 3 equals 4 times logarithm of 2 with a base of 2 is equivalent to 1. Kapag parehas ang ating constant number sa base ng logarithm, that is equivalent to 1. Okay, therefore we have 4 times 1. 2 raised to 5x minus 3 equals 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, we're going to continue our solution. 2 raised to 5x minus 3 equals 4. We're going to rewrite again 4 into equivalent exponential form. That is 2 squared. Since balanced na yung ating base, we're going to eliminate it. Then bring down all the exponents. Exponent in left, that is 5x minus 3 equals exponent in right, which is 2. Nagkaroon na ngayon tayo ng linear equation. Okay, now, since sa linear equation, madali na nating kunin ang value ng x. 5x okay, we have 5x equals, we don't need to apply the additive inverse, that is, we're going to add plus 3 to make it 0. We're going to transpose it. Okay, 2, negative 3 will become positive 3. 5x equals 2 plus 3 is 5. Divide both sides by 5. The numerical coefficient of x. That is 1 or cancel it. X equals 5 divided by 5 is 1. Therefore, the final answer here, the value of x here is 1. If we're going to check it, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 to the squared, or 2 squared is 4 minus. That is 4 times 1, 4. Therefore, 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore, the value of x here, which is 1, satisfied with the given solutions.